Today I'll be unboxing the BOYA Omic Wireless mic. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit bad, it's because I'm recovering from a fever. Anyways, I got this mic from AliExpress for around 58,000 naira. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. I actually used my OPay account to pay for this mic. I didn't have to use any virtual card, so I guess that's a good thing. With that said, let's unbox this mic. So when you open the box, you'll find some manuals and a warranty card. Next, you'll get the case inside this other box. Finally, you get the USB-C cable and two dead cats. I guess they added pink for those who want vibrant colors, but I'm glad this other color is also added. The case can be opened by unzipping it, and inside you'll find the microphones and the receiver. I got the Type-C version of the mic since I use my Android device to record my videos, but I'm sure new iPhones can use this too. The receiver also has a USB-C port which I believe can be used to charge your phone while it is recording. I like that the case has a space where you can keep some of the extra things you get. And just like the mic I recently unboxed, this one is also magnetic. I haven't tested it yet. For now I'll be leaving it to charge. When it is fully charged, I'll be testing the sound quality in a different video. So subscribe if you want to see that, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.